Hello everyone, welcome back to Super Kalam. I am going to be your mentor Arpita Sharma in this session, and we had understood how to decode UPSC syllabus from examiner's mindset. Today we are going to understand how to study the NCRTs from UPSC exams mindset. यूपीएससी के एग्जाम में प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस दीज आर द टू मेन स्टेप्स वेयर एनसीईआरटीज प्ले अ मेजर रोल because NCRTs are not just to be crammed. NCRTs have to be understood. NCRTs आपका फाउंडेशन ले करती हैं किसी भी सब्जेक्ट को बिल्ड करने का, बी इट पॉलिटी, बी इट ज्योग्राफी, बी इट मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री, एंड यू नो इट वेरी वेल. But we are clueless as to how to start, from which NCRT to start, which NCRT make, we need to make sure that we have to make notes, which NCRTs have to be ignored when it comes to making notes, and instead आप highlight कर सकते हो book के अंदर ही. And I have all the NCRTs also with me, so I'm going to help you understand the book list, the NCRT list that you must have with you, and how to approach them through my own notes, through my own examples. ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ स्ट्रैटेजी, मैं अपना एग्जांपल भी दिखाने वाली हूँ कैसे मैं एनसीईआरटीज को अप्रोच करती हूँ. ठीक है, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एवरीवन. नाउ फर्स्ट वी शुड स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन व्हाई एनसीईआरटीज. In this session, we are going to delve deeper with the entire book list that you require for UPSC preparation, both for prelims and mains. But we have to start from the NCRTs. Now, when we talk about the NCRTs, the first thing is that NCRTs are written in one of the most simplest manner. You have studied NCRTs in your class 6th, class 7th, class 8th, class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. आपने NCRT से ही पढ़ाई की है. Just imagine your board examinations, you gave it all through NCRTs, right? And that is why, for this similar understanding, ki NCRTs basically give you the fair understanding of the entire syllabus, we need to start with these books. Second importance of NCRTs is conceptual clarity. It gives you clarity over the concept that you are studying. For example, when you look at a concept of cyclone, you will understand it in a much more clear manner with the help of NCRTs than with any standard reference book that you are referring, because उसमें थोड़ा सा tricky और tough language हो जाती है. NCRT में with the help of beautiful formulas, beautiful diagrams, visual representation, every concept is simplified because you used to be students, school students at that point of time. तो इसलिए आपके लिए लैंग्वेज को बहुत सिंपल तरीके से रख के कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियरली एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ एक्सप्लेन किया जाता था एनसीआरटीज में. एंड एनसीआरटीज आर रेलिवेंट फॉर बोथ प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस, तो इस पर्सपेक्टिव से तो एनसीआरटीज को आप अवॉइड ही नहीं कर सकते, राइट? I'll give you two most important examples, direct questions that came from NCRTs. We have 2016 ka prelims question paper. Here you can see this question, Banjaras. The correct answer here is traders. Traders is the correct answer yahan par. But this question was asked from Geography NCRT. Banjaras, there was a separate small yellow box in Geography NCRT where this Banjara word was written. Again, another important question. See, who of the following had first deciphered the edicts of Emperor Ashok? It is, the correct answer is James Prinsep. Again, NCRT based question. Direct NCRT से उठाया गया है. And this is not one such example. There are so many other examples in prelims question papers where direct questions have been asked from the NCRTs itself. इसीलिए इसकी relevance बहुत high है. So whenever you are starting your preparation, make sure you start with the right NCRTs. Now we'll come to the understanding of which NCRTs you should have in your preparation. We'll start with the basic economics. Economics के लिए you should have class 9 to class 12th NCRT. This is मतलब a must have in when you are starting with economics, because the basics of macroeconomics will be explained in these NCRTs. Concepts like GDP, fiscal policy, inflation that you see in the news, all these concepts you will never find it tough to understand in the news if you have studied this particular NCRTs. Coming to Indian polity. Indian polity mein everyone says you have to start from M. Lakshmikant latest edition. Right now the edition is 7th edition which is latest. तो आपको सब यही बोलते होंगे. But always remember, M. Lakshmikant book, if you're starting directly from that book, you are preparing Indian polity, you will always feel confused. Why? Because Indian polity is a bit comprehensive subject. It is not complex, it is not tricky, but it is comprehensive, which means it requires first foundational understanding of your constitution, which you will get from class 11th NCRT, Indian Constitution at Work. This NCRT has proven time and again how UPSC loves asking question from it. You will see every year, mark my words, every year approximately 8 to 10 marks are coming from this NCRT. यू कांट इग्नोर इट, किसी भी कॉस्ट पे आप इसको इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते हो. 4 to 6 questions are coming from this NCRT directly in Indian polity. And then once your foundation is built, you can then start from with M Lakshmikant, or simultaneously you can prepare. For example, you are studying about Supreme Court and Indian Constitution at work, the class 11th NCRT. Simultaneously you can open up Supreme Court chapter in M Lakshmikant book and prepare. Then we have another important subject, which is history. For history, you must have heard about Spectrum or Bipin Chandra book. I would recommend take Spectrum book for modern history, because Spectrum book is very comprehensive both for pre and mains. Bipin Chandra book is important for prelims, but it is not very useful for mains. Spectrum उस उस need को पूरा करती है, mains requirement को पूरा करती है. But again, here also you have to start with the NCRTs. Which NCRTs? Class 6 to class 8, Ancient and Medieval India, and class 9 to class 12th, Themes in Indian History for Modern History. So this is important. Modern history के लिए class 9 से 12th, 6 से 8 आप ancient medieval history cover कर सकते हो. Then we have geography. For geography, it is very important to have class 6 to class 12th NCRT, but your focus should be on class 11th NCRT, Fundamentals of Physical Geography, and class 12th NCRT, India, People and Economy. ये दो NCRTs time tested हैं. And why am I naming these books? मैं इन NCRTs का नाम भी आपको बता रही हूँ. क्यों बता रही हूँ? Because direct questions in the last 5 years have been asked in prelims from these NCRTs directly. Okay, so I've told you the standard reference books also, I've told you the NCRTs also. बाकी स्टैंडर्ड रेफरेंस बुक की अगर हम बात करें तो जीसी लियोंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ज्योग्राफी के लिए मेंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से. इकोनॉमिक्स की अगर हम बात करें, यू कैन गो विद संजीव वर्मा सर्स बुक. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम मेंस पर्सपेक्टिव. नाउ environment and science and tech. Now these are the two subjects which are very tricky when it comes to book list, because ये current oriented काफी होते हैं. These are heavily current oriented subjects, bit tricky. How to deal with them? Let me help you understand that. Let's start with science, environment and ecology, because both of them are mingled up when it comes to NCRTs. I'll show you why. देखो, आपको सबसे पहले साइंस, इन्वायरमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी में बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे ध्यान देना है. बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स विल इंक्लूड स्टैटिक वन, बिकॉज करंट अफेयर्स तो वी ऑल नो लास्ट 1.5 to 2 years के करंट अफेयर्स प्रिपेयर करने हैं. सो इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर 2026, जैन 2025 से तो आपको करंट अफेयर्स मस्ट है पढ़ने. यू कांट इग्नोर देम. So here you will see that when we talk about science, environment and ecology, static how you need to cover, we have physics, chemistry and biology, right? So in technology, what we need to study is biotechnology, health and disease, space technology, nuclear technology, defense technology, agriculture technology, energy sector. ये आपके की सिलेबस से उठाए गए कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं. करंट में क्या आ जाता है? ऑल द स्पेस मिशंस, गगनयान, शुक्रयान, मंगलयान, inventions on and discoveries which are going on. It applies to environment also. New species discovered, new vaccines invented, new diseases or viruses discovered. तो disease भी आ गए, नोबेल प्राइजेस जो न्यूज में हर साल आते हैं. Now for this, class 6th to class 8th NCRTs are important. Class 9 to 10th NCRT में selective study करनी है फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री की. Only those topics which are intertwined over here, जो मैंने यहाँ पर मेंशन किए हैं. Class 11th chemistry NCRT, chapter 14 is important. Part 2 chapter 14, I have mentioned the chapter also. Class 12th NCRT chemistry part 2 chapter 14 and chapter 16 have to be studied. Nothing else has to be studied. Biomolecules and chemistry in everyday life. ये prelims के perspective से I'm telling you. For mains perspective, current affair based questions are asked. एंड क्लास 12th में बायोलॉजी की एनसीईआरटी में ये मैंने यूनिट्स मेंशन किए हैं जो आपको पढ़ने हैं. नथिंग एल्स अदर देन दीज यूनिट्स हैव टू बी स्टडीड. प्लीज टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट so that you know which chapter you have to touch upon. I have also given a screenshot of environment ecology. Class 12th की biology NCERT में you have to cover these chapters 13 to 16 for environment ecology static portion. Please take a screenshot of this as well. So we have covered all the important NCRTs, all the important books, and I've told you for environment and science and tech, apart from the NCRTs that I've mentioned, current affairs have to be studied. Current affairs kaise honge? We have Super Kalam's magazine for that. I'll show you how. You go to Super Kalam. Here you will see My Library button. You click over here. Over here you will see Monthly Current Affair magazine. आप यहाँ क्लिक करोगे. देन वी हैव अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, सारी मैगजीन्स यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है. यू क्लिक ओवर हेयर, यू कैन डाउनलोड द मैगजीन एंड in the magazine you will see that we have covered all the subjects: polity, international relation, economy, environment, which have been in news. This is going to help you cover the current affairs also. So this was about the entire book list along with how you can cover them with the help of Super Kalam.